how are you doing? That's nice. Okay, for this class on Thursday, April 23, we have the next objective that you will follow. We need to accomplish it, and as far as we achieve it, well, that would be perfect. Our objective for today is apply punctuation marks correctly. For this, we need to remember and make a review about the different punctuation marks that we have, and we will see this. Besides this, the agenda is concerning the PowerPoint presentation with the keywords that you need to use, different pages in the learning log that you need to answer. Remember following instructions carefully. And based on the planner, if you guided by that, it will be easy for you to answer them. Also, we have one extra sheet related with the punctuation marks that you need to paste on your notebook. Also other punctuation extra sheet that you need to email. It's really easy. You will see, I will show it. And this part that is reading, it's related with a video. I will explain it because it's based on one page in 78. Well, let's change the screen and we will move to the keywords that we need to review. On the first part, we have soon, apostrophe, conjunction, sidewalk, comma, and colon. If you observe, we have three of the punctuation marks that we have to use. Well, soon is a period of time very soon, that is from now. The apostrophe is one mark that we use when we want to delete letters, like in contractions, or when we use these marks to show possession. The conjunction, you know, that is one part of a speech that is useful to join sentences. The colon, it's other mark that is used to like begin a list of something. The comma, it's one mark used to separate items, to make a list, to separate dates, etc. And the sidewalk is a part of the street for people to walk. Okay, then change into the keywords for page 78. Whitewater, factory, rafting, swamp, festival, snails, and snowboarding. I want that you repeat them as many times as you can. Remember, you need to practice and acquire the correct pronunciation. The whitewater is about the wild river. These rivers are used to practice rafting, that in this case is a sport used with a raft or a canoe, a special canoe, and we are moving them, rowing through the river. This is fantastic and so amazing. Factory is one enterprise that produces something. The swamp is one place where we find a special kind of trees and basically where Shrek lives, for example. The snowboarding is one sport when we are snowing over a slope. And the snails are animals that are used to slide. And the festival is related with Paris concerning music, the readings, something related with, what else could be? Well, different festivals, Paris. Well, let's change into now the topic that we have. Our objective, so it's using punctuation marks correctly. So these are the different punctuation marks. We have the full stop, that is nothing but the period, and it's to stop one sentence, to finish one sentence. The question mark, it's a mark when we ask something. What's your name? How are you? And we give a special intonation. It's very important, especially when we are reading. The comma, I told you, to separate items. The exclamation mark, it's also to finish one sentence when we give and emphasize emotions. For example, oh my God, I am very surprised. Oh, I am sad. Okay, and the next one that is about quotation marks, it's when we close one idea that somebody else said, or important sentences that actually need this guided sense. The colon, it's one mark used, I told you, to begin a list. And semicolon, it's when we have two sentences and to separate these two sentences. The apostrophe, we already explained it, and it was for, or it is for deleting letters, such as in contractions or when we show possession. The next one is this sheet to be printed and pasted. No, remember, it's a poem, so you can read it, and it's so beautiful. And this is the sheet that you need to answer and email to me, okay? So it's about the punctuation. Going back to the agenda that we have to follow, we are reviewing about the things that we already did. Reviewing PowerPoint presentation, yes. The pages that you need to do in the learning log, these are done by your own. The sheet I already showed you. Other page in the learning log, the sheet that you need to email to me. And this part is about a video that you need to record, because I would like to listen to your voice again and review how good, fantastic, and marvelous you are pronouncing this poem that is recorded in this page. The next one is that you need to link to different websites, you know, that are in the planner. And the closing is just remembering about the principal objective we had for today. That was using punctuation marks correctly. You may use this one as many times as you want. And so I hope this will be useful. I'll see you another time. Have a great time. See you. Bye. Love you. I send you a kiss and I wait for mine.